Hi you guys, I'm making another chaffle today with my favorite chaffle maker. I love this little gadget. I will put a link to it from Amazon in the description box, so check that out if you want to get one. So this is going to be a brownie batter keto chaffle. So I'm going to use 1 egg, and I'm going to whisk the egg all the way through to have it all mixed before I add in my other ingredients. It just makes the consistency a little bit better for this one. So I have 2 tablespoons of almond flour. I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa. So I'm going to mix these ingredients together with the egg. So this is going to be a brownie type chaffle, really yummy and nice and chocolatey as well, and keto friendly, so very low in carb. And I'm now going to add in, I have 1 tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. And I have half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. And I have a teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to now add in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then I'll mix this all together. It's pretty thick. It is a nice brownie type batter. So it is going to mix all the way through, and then I'll be ready to cook it into my chaffle maker. All right, so the batter is all mixed, ready to go. This is going to be so delicious and so healthy, keto friendly. So my little waffle maker has blue light. I love the blue light. It says that it's ready to go. So I will now add in half of the batter. So this is going to make 2 chaffles. So I am going to mix it through, and then I will put half of this keto brownie chaffle batter into the chaffle maker. And these don't take very long to cook. They just take about maybe 3 to 4 minutes, but the blue light on the top is really great. It'll tell me when it is done. So I will close this up and wait for it to cook all the way through. All right, so it's done. The blue light came off, and I just love the non-stick surface, so I don't have to spray it with cooking spray or anything. And then it just comes right out, and it is the perfect little circle waffle size. So now I will add in the second half of the batter and make the second brownie batter chaffle for this snack for this week. So I've been loving making these. I have a whole playlist for keto snacks, and I'm going to add all my chaffle recipes to that. So check the description box. I will put a link to that playlist in there. So this one is all done now also, and I'll take it off. And for this chocolate chaffle, I like to add on a little bit of whipped cream to make this extra tasty.